Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to do this minimal makeup tutorial. I'm starting by moisturizing my face by using extra virgin olive oil. If you have a makeup primer, you can use makeup primer to moisturize your face. To refresh my skin, I'm spraying my face, then I am applying lip balm on my lips. I am starting by brushing my brows. For my brows, I'm going to use this brow pencil which has two sides, a brown side and a black side, and I'm using the black side. Then I'm going back with the brush and I'm brushing my brows just to mix up everything. Then I'm using my concealer and my Eggoed brush to clean up my brows. This helps my brows to look clean and defined. I'm using a flat brush to blend my brows. Then I am using the same flat brush to apply concealer on top of my brows. I just want my brows to be as defined as possible. For a foundation, I'm going to use Kiss Beauty matte foundation. Then guys, I'm just starting to blend my foundation. The key, like the most important thing when it comes with foundation, you have to find the perfect match for your skin and to blend. So just blend, you guys, like the way I'm doing here. By the way guys, if you are enjoying this video, please give me the thumb up and subscribe. And this is how I look, you guys. And I decided to go with the second layer, and I'm using Revlon, and it is not matte, you guys. I just decided to mix these two foundation. I don't know why, but I just love the finishing product of mixing these two foundation. And now I'm just blending and blending. And this is how I look. Then I am going to use just a white powder to set under my eyes. Normally, or usually, a lot of people are using concealer to do this, but I am using a white powder to just lighten up my eyes. Then I am going to use Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette, and I'm using bronzed color to just contour my nose. And as you can see, you guys, I didn't go crazy on this process because I don't know how to contour, you guys. That is honesty. Like, I don't know how to contour. I'm just learning this. And yeah, then I'm using the same color to just apply on my eye. And then I'm using a goddess color. It is red, and just to put more color on my eyes. Then I'm using amber to just pop out my eyes, because this color is just like a highlighter. For my eyeliner, I am using the same pencil that I used on my brows. That is the only thing that I'm doing on my liner, because as you see in the title, this is the minimalist makeup tutorial. Then I am applying my mascara. I am using the same color that I used to pop my eyes underneath my brows. Then I'm just dusting out all the powder. Then I'm using this 6 powder just to mix up everything. This powder is a mess, you guys. Like, I don't like. After that, I'm just using the same color from Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette as my highlighter, and I'm using it on my eye corner just to open up my eyes. Now I'm going to apply lipstick. This is like my favorite step because it's the easiest of all makeup steps. This is the easiest step to apply a lipstick. And I am just spraying my face, and this is the final look, you guys. I love the finished look. Tell me, what do you think? Give me an advice, because I'm just learning to do this. Thank you for being here, and bye bye.